This brief video tutorial will teach you how to create a keyboard shortcut with BES embroidery lettering and PE Design Next. Open BES lettering. Move the cursor to the top of the window and click on the Customize Quick Access toolbar down arrow. Choose More Commands. In the Customize window, next to the word Keyboard Shortcuts, choose Customize. For this exercise, we're going to create a shortcut to turn on and off the grid function. In BES lettering, the grid function is located on the Home tab. So in the Categories window, choose Home. In the Commands window, scroll down until you see Grid. Click Grid. Click inside the Press New Shortcut key window and then press the Alt key with the G key on the keyboard. Press Assign. Click Close and click OK. To use this keyboard combination to turn on and off the grid, simply press Alt and G together on your keyboard to turn on and off the grid. In BES lettering, it's best not to use the Shift key with a letter or a letter by itself. When you do this, you lose the ability to use a capital letter when you use the Shift key with a letter, or a lowercase letter when you use the letter by itself. Use a different combination stroke for other keyboard shortcuts. Open Layout and Editing. To create this same keyboard shortcut in Layout and Editing so that both of your programs match, once again, you go to the top of the window and choose Customize Quick Access toolbar. Choose More Commands. At the bottom of the window, next to Keyboard Shortcuts, click Customize. The grid function in PE Design Next is located on the View tab. So in the Categories window, choose View. In the Commands window, scroll down until you see Show Grid. Click inside the Press New Shortcut key window and press the Alt and the G key together to create that new shortcut. Choose Assign and then click Close. Click OK. When you press the Alt and the G key together, your grid will appear and be removed.